Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, PureSense just have launched two of their amazing fragrance in roll-on sticks, and these are PureSense Hope and PureSense Joy, and these are 10x gentle than our traditional roll-ons and deodorant sprays and keeps you fresh for almost all day long. And it has skin food and actives like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. And in today's video I'm going to talk about the details of these two roll-ons, but before moving on to the video I have some disclaimers over here. Look, fragrances are very subjective, so what I like on me and how that fragrance developed on my body type, and also how long it stay, it may be different from yours. So whenever you are watching any fragrance related videos, you should keep that on mind. So yeah, this is it. Now let's move on to the video. But if you are watching me for the first time, then make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So guys, PureSense launched two fragrance roll-on sticks, and the first one is Hope. It's a beautiful floral Japanese cherry blossom fragrance blended with lavender and witch hazel extract. And guys, for me it's a very beautiful floral fragrance, and this is a kind of morning fragrance guys. It is enriched with hyaluronic acid, which keeps your underarms moisturized and fresh throughout the day. It also prevents dryness and itching of underarms. The second one is Joy, and guys, this is a fruity fragrance. It has grapefruits that stimulates your sense and keeps you fresh and energized all day. Now this Joy is enriched with niacinamide, which over time brightens and even out underarm skin, and it has anti-inflammatory properties which soothes and calms skin irritation and redness. Now these roll-on sticks are also super easy to use, and let me show you how to apply this. So the application is very easy. You just have to directly roll this on your underarms and allow it to dry, and that's it, and it will keep you feeling fresh for all day. So guys, these roll-ons are non-sticky, quick absorbing and lightweight, and my favorite is the Hope, which is Japanese cherry blossom roll-on deodorant, and it is kind of a floral fragrance. So as I am the floral fragrance lover, I prefer this one. And yeah, this is it about this roll-on. So just keep yourself order free and get ready to roll on. And yeah, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.